Gonna have a little look at the DAX today. And a warm welcome to one and all. And for those of you who have not seen me before, my name is Langers, and I am the overgrown child that is the Scruffy trader, and that is my beautiful assistant. Say hello to everybody. If you haven't seen her before,
yeah.
She's mine. All mine. And I play with her all the time. That was maybe the wrong thing to say.
You have caused confusion and delay, and terrible trouble to my trousers.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Ah, bollocks, I do play with her all the time, don't I? I do.
You dirty old man.
She's my friend today. Yesterday she was horrible. Must be because it's payday on Friday. Anyway, happy days, happy days. Got me coffee, because we all know Scruffy likes his coffee. And he needs it today because he had his second injection. Anyway, that's not what you're here for. You're here to see the big fella trade the markets. And that's what I do each day. I'll have a look at the market, see what's good, what's bad, and then try and make some money from it. So if that's what you're interested in, you want to see some more, please click the subscribe button. Genuinely helps, as does smashing the like button. Just lets YouTube know we're here and helps the channel. So what am I essentially looking at today? Well, it is the crowd favourite, the DAX. Now, the DAX is a tough market at the best of times, and I've just been kind of explaining it to the guys in the squad. Just quickly show you. There they are there. There's a Discord group that I run, and that is there. It's gone up at 25 past 12. All right, just telling them what I'm going to do and why I'm interested in it. And the time now is well, it's coming on 20 to 1. So we're going to play it. What we're looking at? We're looking at the same thing I always look at. Zone to zone and not be over greedy. That's the key. You see, when you see a lot of traders and they're saying you're getting in, you're getting out, you're getting this, that and the other. I can't do that. I really can't. I find it really difficult, and I definitely find it stressful. I prefer an easier approach. And that's where this was developed from. Now, currency-wise, there's not a great deal going on. I do have a trade running on the 5%ers, and as you can kind of see, it's exactly the same process. It's going up there, it's currently in profit, and it's working, and the principle's the same, zone to zone. So I kind of practice what I preach all the time. It doesn't matter what I'm doing, I follow the same path. And that is a small prop firm account that I'm running, so it is pennies. But that's the key point. If it's only a small account, deal in pennies. Give yourself a fighting chance. Because if you get it wrong, you need to be able to fight another day. All right. So what I'll do is, this isn't quite ready to rock, but I'll quickly tell you what it is I'm looking at. If I push it out to an hour, you can see that's kind of the last time I traded this. And it's rocketed up. It hasn't made any attempt to come back. And it's kept grinding up, but now it's moving down. And as I said to the guys, I am waiting for this to move down further. I'm going to be going up over on this because I'm going to continue with this arc. But in the meantime, I think this is going to push down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of pause the camera now because it's not quite ready to rock. And I'm going to wait till it gets down into this area, and then I'll look to start trading it. All right, and then I'll come back to you and I'll explain the process, where I'm getting in, and hopefully where I'm going to get out. So I'll catch you in a bit, guys.
waiting.
Okay guys, so I've come back. Seems to be stalling in the green zone and pushing up. We've got plenty of room to get some pips up here. So that's what we're going to do. And I've got plenty of room to do a bit of scruffy madness that way if something goes a bit wrong. So what we're going to do is we're going to start our orders on the top of this green, working upwards. Very simple. Same drill as I always do. I'm going to start it with 15. We're going to put another one in the same place for 10. And then I'm going to put another one in just for good measure up the top there. Just like so. Right. That is it. We are in. Well, two of them are in anyway. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of let it get on with it. Oh, this one here. That's a bugger, isn't it? Anyway, they're in. The plan is very, very simple. I kind of expect it to bounce backwards and forwards as it often does. So what I'll do is I'll just sort of hopefully catch this one here for 10 pips. Get that. If it comes back, I'm going to re-enter the market with that 10 pip. Once it breaks this one at 15, I'm kind of going to leave it alone. All right. So in the meantime, it's going to catch that, let it come back, catch that, let it come back. Then hopefully you might even get some a little bit further down as well, depending on the market conditions. But in the meantime, I'm just going to bounce it, get into this, and hopefully get up into that one. That's the game plan. If it goes against me, I will put staging points in all the way down to the other side of this red zone, and we'll try and catch bounces on the bottom side as well. But in the meantime, it's all going to be long, and hopefully I'll get my wages out of it. So I'll let it run out and I'll catch you on the other side. And that's that, guys. Done. So let's have a look, see where we're up to, what we've done, etc. Well, there's the trade that you saw me do yesterday. And that one's just popped into target. All right, it's not the biggest money in the world, but it's a wage. And that's all we're interested in. And what do I do now? Well, it's 1:30. Probably enter the markets again a little bit later this afternoon, but for the purpose of what we're doing, I just have to wait for it to reset. And what am I resetting? Well, I work on zone, zone, or zone. So that is what I do on a daily basis. It's a nice, easy way to trade. Just keep it simple and not greedy. It would have been nice if the other trade, like orders, had triggered. It ran away from me a little bit too quickly, but I wasn't going to chase the market. And that's the thing here. Don't chase the markets. If you do, it'll end, well, it just ends badly, to be honest. It always does. So this is a very quick video. It's just to show you a trade of what I was up to today. And kind of what I do. It's consistency. Whether I trade again today, I'm not rightly sure, because this might take it a long time to get down to here, and I'm not a lover of trying to jump in and out of the markets. I like just once or twice. So Keep trucking, guys. And as always, do what you love and the money will follow.